We're going to start in C position with our right hand, C position in our left hand. If you're playing both hands, you will use a C chord shell, C and G, and your right hand will start on C. So you play them together. When you get to the F, you're going to slide your thumb over in the left hand and then come back to C, G when you reach the end of the third measure. Okay? So let's do that together. If you're just playing the right hand, you're playing C, D, E, 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 F, E, F, E. Okay. Then the next section for right hand goes C, C, D, E, 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 F, E, F, E. When we put our left hand together with it, we come in on the E with the C, G again. And then we'll get ready to move our thumb up to A. So we start. Now we have a new chord here in the left hand at the beginning of the second line. It's G and D. So just to repeat, let's play through the whole first line together. 1, 2, ready, start. On the second line, you're going to need to move your thumb up to D because you're going to play D, E, F, G, 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 and you're going to need this A, and then you're going to bring it down, G, F, E, D. So let's repeat that. Okay, and your left hand is, if you're playing the left hand, you're going to use the same G and D. You go 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then we look like we're going to do the same thing. Then we have to move our third finger to the A so that we can reach this B flat, because we're going to play A, B flat, A, G, F. So let's do that again. A, B flat, A, G. Then we can move our pinky back to A because we're going to go down from there. A, G, F, E. Then we move our pinky down again one more to G, G, F, E, D. So let's repeat the second line together. We're going to start with our thumb on D. 1, 2, ready, go. Move your third finger. And then for the last line, our last phrase, our right hand starts back on C, C, D, E, 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 and then we're going to go to F, E, F, E, and we have D, C, D, C. Okay, if you're playing your left hand, you're going to use all of these three options. Okay, so we start with the C chord. Over to A, keep our C on the bottom, and then back to C, G, and now we're going to play D, G. So let's play the last line together. 1, 2, ready, go. you.